you have a broken bracket that's come off the back of the wire or is still on the wire, it is not an emergency. If you're comfortable, it can wait until the next business day. A couple ways to keep you comfortable would be using wax, or you can always use a pair of disinfected wire cutters to remove the brace. For wax, you can take a small piece and mold it around the broken bracket and the wire to keep the bracket from moving. If the wax isn't working, to either stop the wire from poking in the back or from keeping the brace still, you can use disinfected wire cutters to trim wherever you're comfortable. Take the wire cutters, trim closest to where you can, then remove the broken brace and the wire. Please bring in the brace to your next appointment. Give our office a call when convenient for you, and we can schedule an appointment to repair everything.